Hello, welcome to Cruse. Does your Honda HRV take a long time to start? Are you tired of wasting money on different mechanics with no results? Well, have no worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your push start in minutes with items you already have available at home. Here we have 2016 Honda HRV, and the problem here is that the push button has to be pressed multiple times for the car to start. It does not start on the first push. As you can see in the video, it took us 3 presses just to start the car. Sometimes it takes even longer than that. There's also this key sign on the dashboard indicating there's some sort of problem detecting the wireless key, even though our keys work perfectly. So here are the tools that we'll be using. This is basically a piece off of an ice cream scoop. You can use anything that will help you to wedge and pry open the panel. So right now we turned off the car and are about to open up that panel that is holding the start button. All you need to do is simply take a tool that you can use to pry it open and basically try to open it from the clips that are holding the panel. It might be a little hard to get it out, but don't be afraid to get in there and yank it open. I mean, don't go too rough on it, otherwise you might break it, but just feel it out and open it as you hear the clips opening. There we go, we finally got it out, and now there's one plug that we need to remove before we can fully open it. There's this white plug that is connected to the push start button. We need to remove this in order to fully take out the panel. Alright, now that we have taken out the connecting plug, what we need to do now is take the push start button system itself out of the panel. You don't need to disconnect anything here. All you need to do is go ahead and push the 2 clips down to take the push button system out of the socket. Now we're gonna take off this back cover here. Same thing, just try to pry it open with any tool that fits. For example, I'm using this bent flathead screwdriver. Now that we've taken off the back cover, we're going to move to the next step, which is to lightly spray it with some WD-40. Spray lightly near the connector pins and make sure not to over soak it. Now wipe off any of the excess WD-40 and you should be good to go. Alright, that's it. Now it's time to plug it back in. Same steps in reverse. Alright, now it's back in place. Moment of truth. Will it start first time? Let's try it out. And guess what? It did start first try, which means this was a success. And as you can see, the warning sign is gone as well, which means this totally fixed the problem. Alright guys, that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you thought this video was helpful, and let me know down in the comments below if this video helped you fix your Honda push start.